Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have this Apple 13-inch MacBook Air, the 2017 version. This is the 1.8 gigahertz Core i5 CPU, 8 gig RAM with 256 gigabyte of SSD. Alright, so right here we have the computer. This is the MacBook Air. We did purchase this as renewed, as this is in excellent condition. So most of the renewed items are been restored. It comes with a factory charger, which this one is not with the Apple logo, which is okay because it does charge this. So this is just your regular standard charger, the 45 watt. Need to be used to charge your MacBook Air. These also are the same ones as the MacBook Pros. So here's the charging port, and then there is the plug port. So right here you get a congratulations, a little information if you need to return it for any reason. So this is the device itself, the MacBook Air. It's in excellent condition. The little sticker stating that it has been refurbished. It's got little fingerprints from the bubble wrap, which is okay. When you open it up and you see that the case itself is really nice. On the side you have your charging port, you have one USB, you have your headphones and your two little microphones. There's the back side, and on this side you have a USB, you have your lightning cable and your SD port. There's your slot right there. And at the front it's very thin. So you got the little rubber feet on the bottom. There's what it looks like in the front. So this is the 5th generation Intel Core i5 with an Intel HD graphics of 6000. So this is great for you to do your photo editing and your browsing, everything that happens ultra fast. And the one best thing about this MacBook Air, it is super thin with a 0.68 inch unibody design that weighs only 2.96 pounds. And this battery will last up to 12 hours on a charge. So we're just going to go ahead and turn it on. Bear with me, with the screen is a little bit dirty. So we're just going to go ahead and set this up, and then I'll wipe down the screen. I also bought a case for this, so it'll look a lot better. So we're just going to go ahead and set this up a bit. Now we're going to set up our Wi-Fi. So now this is all set up. You can see that this right here version that I received is the Catalina, and it's ready for an update for Monterey. That is the newest version that Mac has released. So right now you can see on the side how super thin this is. It is very thin. I do have the MacBook Pro. It's a little bit thicker than this. This one's a lot thinner. So now we're just going to go ahead and put on the case. So this is the case that I just picked up. It's a plastic hard shell compatible with all the MacBook series. This one is specifically for the MacBook Airs. These are the hard shells. You got little rubber feet at the bottom. You can see the little fan vents at the bottom. This one comes in many different colors. This one here I got in the light blue. It's a really nice color. It's more of a matte filling finish, even though it kind of looks glossy because it still has the plastic on. And then you got your rubber feet. So we're just going to go ahead and open it up. So like I said, it has like a matte finish on the back. They do supply with extra rubber feet. So right here you get 4. These are little stickers you just stick on the bottom if you happen to lose some on the bottom of this. So right here is just the instructions on how to install this case on the bottom and the top part. And these are all the colors it comes with. You've got different shapes and sizes, as in different arts. So here are all the rubber feet. So if you lose any one of those, you have some spare ones. And these are right here. You just peel it off and put them right on. So now we're going to go ahead and put it on the computer. And right now we already have it on the computer, and it looks really nice. It really shines it out. This baby blue, it looks awesome. This computer itself is really nice. Even though it is refurbished, it's still in great condition. This is the 2017 version, which is supporting a 1.8 gigahertz core Intel i5 processor with a turbo boost of the 2.9 Hz, and it also has an 8 GB of memory with 256 GB of SSD storage with an Intel HD Graphics 6000. This is a 13.3-inch screen with 1440 by 900 resolution.